This how to 1 minute will show you how to create a subdomain in Godaddy. Log into your Godaddy account and click on your profile name. Click on My Products. And here I want to create a subdomain for this domain. So I'm clicking on Manage. Click on DNS. Click on Forwarding. And here you will get the subdomains option. So click on Add Forwarding. Now enter here the subdomain name. And if your domain has SSL certificate, then select HTTPS. And enter here the destination URL. Select the forward type. Click on Save. And as you can see, I've successfully created a subdomain. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.